Hey everybody, my name's Mike. I'm the creator of this YouTube channel. The YouTube channel you're watching is This Old Hot Rod. I wanted to first say thank you to everybody who is just all of a sudden within the last, I'd say probably 4 or 5 days, all the subscribers, the new subscribers, all the likes, the comments, just, the good, the bad, it's all good to me. This Old Hot Rod is basically, I don't know if it's a documentary or whatever it is, of kind of my journey with hot rods. That's my next project right there. This filler panel's coming off. I'm gonna remove that filler panel that's on. I'm gonna attempt to remove this panel, this filler, without hurting the roof. And then you can see where it was welded. It's probably about 3 inches in. So this panel's coming off. The entire structure, including all the wood and everything, is still in here. I'm gonna re-expose the original wood kit and then put a padded insert in it like it was when Walter had it. Unfortunately, he did weld it all the way around instead of... Brad Barrows added the roof filler in the mid-'80s when he chopped the roof. It had a padded roof insert when George Ryan and Walter Ash built the car. I've already started cutting here. I'm gonna make my way around, peel back the layers, and bring back some history. Here we go.